research procedure, research structure, and participants, and instruments, and final one is data analysis. And this is my research procedure. First, the questionnaire will be designed, and then I will do a pilot study. And after the pilot study, the questionnaire will be revised. And then I will do the data collection. And it is the next work, data analysis. And this is the research structure of my study. Word of mouth is the independent variable, and the purchase behavior is the dependent variable, while involvement is the intervening variable. And this is about the participants of my research. The participants will be the tourists in Wuguan, and each of the time of the filling out questionnaire will be about 50 minutes, and the quantity will be 30 participants in pre-test and 300 in formal study. And their age will be around 18 to 65. And it is instrument part. I will use questionnaire to do the research. It totally includes 31 items, and I use 5-point Likert scale to rate consumers' opinions, which 1 means strongly disagree and 5 means strongly agree. And I have 4 parts in the questionnaire. Part 1 is word of mouth. It includes 13 items. And part 2 is about the consumer involvement. It includes 10 items. And part 3 is about the consumer purchase behavior. It has 8 items. And the final one is personal information. And all my questionnaire items were adopted from previous research. And this is about the sample items of my questionnaire. This part is about the word of mouth. You can take a look at it. Like the literature reviews mentioned, it is divided into expertness, trustworthiness, and attractiveness. And this is part 2, consumer involvement. Sorry about this time.
No. Guys, take a look at the questions. This question are very interesting. 去问卷率对我来说是重要的，因为对我来说是有意义的。来上课没有意义，问卷是有意义的。And this is about the involvement.
Yes.
The category called involvement.
And part 3, real part 3 is consumer purchase behavior. And this is part 4, personal information. It mentioned about gender, the age, the income, the education level. And this is the final part, data analysis. I use SPSS 13 for Windows to analyze this data. And first, I use descriptive statistic analysis to know the distribution of participants' personal information. And second, I use Pearson correlation to examine the relationship between the variables, but it cannot test cause and effect. Therefore, I use regression analysis to examine the causal effect between variables. And this is my presentation.
Okay, 5 minutes left, so spend